Our signature 3-week encounter program marks the moment our Year 10 students step into their senior years. It is a bold, future-focused journey that invites them to live our mission with purpose. At its heart is an 8 to 10 day encounter experience. Students choose a pathway that speaks to them: career, adventure, community engagement, or immersion, each offering a real-world learning and meaningful challenge. The program concludes with 2 powerful capstone experiences: a future-proofing encounter and spirituality and leadership encounter. In the future-proofing sessions, students step into adulthood with confidence. They learn personal finance, self-defense, basic car maintenance. They take part in mock interviews with community mentors, explore a career expo featuring major institutions, and build the skills and mindset they need to thrive. Together, these experiences prepare our students not only for the senior years ahead, but for life beyond school, grounded, capable, and ready for whatever comes next.